Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from CUBOT X18 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Now open it. Click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then choose Receive on an Android, and now we have to wait for this one to download. Now we have to do the same, so I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Choose Send on CUBOT and then tap on all of those kind of dots over here and choose Send to send all of your files. But it will take some time, so I will only click on this one photo, choose Send and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this password over here and choose Receive, or we can scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on an Android, select while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait. And as you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but we can always check it out for sure by going into some kind of file manager or Files app. Clicking on, in my case, Photos, and tapping on Send Anywhere folder. As you can see, my picture is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!